Hello wonderful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Nova and today I'm going to make Ghana cornmeal porridge. Normally Jamaicans do have their cornmeal porridge, and Ghana we have also a cornmeal porridge, and in Cape Coast, that is the Fantis, we call it Ekwegbemi. And the cornmeal that normally people call it, we call it a bro rice water. So we have two different types, and this is the flour of it. So what I'm going to do now is add water. I have 1 cup of the flour, so I'm going to add water to it and mix it all up. Okay, before I start doing this, I put just water to boil before I add up to it. So I'm going to add, this is just normal water, it's not hot. So now everything is well combined. The Fantis call this Ekwegbemi. This is how we call it. I do remember my grandmother make this early in the morning for us, and it was so delicious. My family So now here I have water boiling, and I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. So salt. So now, since I think the water is hot, so I'll be adding now my Ekwegbemi and then stir it all up. So this is the Ekwegbemi in it. I have to be quick, if not, the Ekwegbemi will turn into something else. Okay, so I'll keep on stirring. Keep on stirring, keep on stirring. Now it's popping, so it will pop for like a minute or two, then my Ekwegbemi is done. So now it's very dense. I'll be adding sugar and stir everything up. You can add milk now if you want, but I prefer to add it when I'm eating it. Alright, so now Ekwegbemi is all done. Very simple, easy to make. This is what the Fantis we call it, Ekwegbemi. Same one. So this is my Ekwegbemi. Oh, look at that. Now you can add in milk and enjoy it. Just so.